Hi there, I'm Les Johnson. Thank you so much for taking time to check out my YouTube channel. Have you ever called coyotes when it's really, really windy? Like called one set, nothing there, and just walk right over the hill, call again and call one in? If not, you need to watch this video. I'm going to show you what I did and how I became successful doing it. Very unique colored coyote, just beautiful. Nice soft fur, really soft. A female coyote. What had happened here, we're calling a crosswind. The wind picked up a little bit. We went over here, made a stand. We spooked out all kinds of mule deer, but my sound was all going that way, and I didn't call real loud. So as soon as we sat there for probably 12-15 minutes, you could see everything. So we just walked on the other side of the hill, and I called crosswind all the way across. There's a lot of cattle down here. There was some antelope over here on the side of the hill. Sat here probably the better part of 12-15 minutes, and I was just sitting around. I was done calling, and I happened to be glassing, and I saw this coyote come across the top down here in front, and then it just worked its way. Never had to, I coaxed a little bit, come across the front of this hill. I set up, I started wolfing at it, would not stop, so I had to take a moving shot. Just put the crosshairs right in front of it, about a foot and a half, pull the trigger, boom, hit her right in that front leg. So hit her perfect, a little bit windy, calling crosswind, great way to get the sound out there a little further. I noticed because I had the cows looking at me, so I could tell they could hear me, which was great. Calling around livestock, it's always good. 22-250 Thompson Center Venture Predator, and we've got another coyote down. Beautiful coyote. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share it with friends, and please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to watch all my videos if you're wanting to know more about calling predators. Until next time, I'm going to get outdoors.